super efficient, high precision cutting, all of the features you really need, very low maintenance costs, and best of all, a highly competitive price. This is the WA30E wire cut EDM from JS EDM. Wherever you are, the easy availability of consumables for your EDM is a major factor in your purchasing decision. And this model stands out with all of the consumables non-proprietary industry standard sizes, so availability will never be an issue. Great service with fast parts availability and super detailed parts diagrams are a standard for all JS EDM machines. And unlike many others, this allows you to quickly and accurately identify the parts that you need and get your EDM productive again fast. With the WA30E, you have a powerful PC-based controller, cutting your costs and delivering you all the functions you really need for your workshop. With a Meonite cast base and all of the brand name high quality components you could wish for, the WA30E is ready to deliver years of trouble-free, high precision cutting to maintain your competitive edge. You need the most cost-effective, reliable EDM solution on the market. And with the WA30E from JS EDM, you have this in spades. Great precision, reliability, and advanced functions, coupled with great service and local parts availability. This is one wire cut EDM that's a great choice for your workshop's wire cut solution.